Welcome to the project demonstration of artificial intelligence based solar vehicle. So here we are using the system driven by the battery with solar power rechargeable section, and along with it has artificial intelligence with the help of this ultrasonic sensor. So this will use it to detect the objects when it is moving in forward direction. If the object was detected, then automatically it will change its direction, and that will be controlled by our PIC microcontroller. So here we are using PIC microcontroller. So the below of this robot we have placed the PIC microcontroller motherboard and a recharging section and a battery. So next is this is the voltage sensor to measure the voltage from the solar panel, and this one is the L293 motor driver to control this robot movement in 4 directions. So here we have interface the voltage sensor at A0 pin to this microcontroller and battery to the directly to this L293 motor driver, and after this L293 motor driver there we can see one 7805 regulator, so which will take the 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volt DC output, which is the main operating voltage to our motherboard. So PIC 16F72 microcontroller, and next ultrasonic sensor interface at B0 B1 and LCD to display the distance from the ultrasonic sensor, and voltage of the solar panel will be displayed on this LCD screen. Is connected at pin number B2 to pin number B7, and L293 motor driver interface at pin number C0 to C3 pin. So this is a rechargeable battery, so it will get the power supply from this charging circuit. So the charging circuit directly given to the battery through this solar panel. And so coming to the battery ratings, we are using 12 volt 1 amp. So there we can see 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series, so we will get 12 volt 1 amp directly. And next, if you want to charge a battery from the transformer whenever there is no sunlight is available, so just you can switch on the power supply to this transformer. So there we can connect the battery over here, B slots, and directly the transformer is connected over here, the T slots. And the next, connect this at this B, and now on the power supply to the transformer. So it will take around of 6 to 8 hours, minimum 6 hours, maximum 8 hours. So whether it is charging from the solar panel or transformer, right? So after the duration completes, then you can directly disconnect the power supply to the transformer. So now this is the main on off switch, so keep this for safety purpose over here. Now this is the main on off switch. So below is the on, above is the off. So once we switch on the kit, so then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and the voltage is displaying as well as the distance from the ultrasonic sensor. You can see that. So we can see the operation over here. So when the object detects, then automatically the robot changing its direction. So keep on changing till the obstacle avoids. So when there is no obstacle, then automatically it will moving forward direction. So in this manner we are going to make the autonomous feature to the robot by placing the ultrasonic sensor to detect the obstacles and to avoid them. Right. Thank you.